So in this problem, you have been given an equation that is x raised to the 5 minus 1 and this is equals to 0. So you have to solve for x or you have to find the roots of this equation. So there can be two methods. One is using complex algebra theory and you can solve this problem easily in one line. But in this video, we will be discussing the algebraic theory and where I can use some identity to solve this problem. So if you remember one identity, that is 1 minus x raised to the power n divided by 1 minus x, this can be written as 1 plus x square plus x cube, and this goes till x raised to the power n minus 1. Now if you take denominator this side, so this becomes 1 minus x raised to the power n. This is equals to 1 minus x into 1 plus x square, and this goes till x raised to the power n minus 1. So the final term is plus x raised to the power n minus 1. Now if you want, you can also multiply by negative sign both sides, then it will become x raised to the power n minus 1 is equals to x minus 1, and then other term will remain as it is. And then finally x raised to the power n minus 1. So I will use this identity to solve this problem. So now see, in this problem, what is the value of n? In this case, n is equals to 5. So I can use this formula to expand this. So I can say x raised to the power 5 minus 1, this is equals to x minus 1 times 1 plus x square plus x cube, and the final term will be n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4, x4. So let me write again, this is x minus 1 into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4, and this is given in the problem that this is equals to 0. So now we have two possibilities, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. In case 1, so let us say in case 1, if x minus 1 is equals to 0, so from here I will get a solution that is equals to x is equals to 1. So x equals to 1 is a root or solution of this equation. Now we have to consider case 2, and case 2 will not be that easy. So case 2 is, this term is 0, that is this term. So I can say 1 plus, let me write with black ink, this is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to the power 4 is equals to 0. Now the question is, how will you solve this problem? If you look the powers, here we have power 4 and 1 is basically x raised to the power 0. So 1 can also be written as x raised to the power 0. So here you have power 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 1 because this is nothing but x raised to the power 1. So 3 plus 1 is also 4. And here you have, in the middle you have 2. So the key idea to solve this problem and the main trick to solve this problem is dividing this expression by x square, that is middle term. So let us divide this expression by x square. So what we will have? We will have 1 by x square plus x by x square plus x square by x square and x cube by x square plus x4 by x square, and this is equals to 0. Remember, in this case I am dividing, this means x is not equal to 0, and which is in fact true because the equation is x minus 5 is equals to 1 is equals to 0. So if you plug 0, that is x equals to 0, 0 minus 1 is equals to 0. This does not holds. This means x is not equals to 0. It's satisfied from the condition of the problem. Now let us proceed further. So we will have 1 by x square here, and here I will have simply 1 by x, and this is 1, and this is x, and this is x square. Now what do you think I should do? You see, the major advantage of dividing by x square is now you have this term x square and 1 by x square, x and 1 by x. Let us collect these terms together. So I will have x square plus 1 by x square. This is one term. Another term, that is this one, x plus 1 by x, and then plus 1, this is equals to 0. Now see, this can be written as x plus 1 whole square if I add 2. So if you see, if you just try x plus 1 by x whole square, so this is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x times 1 by x. So I am using formula a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this becomes x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So a term of 2 is missing. So what I will do is I will add 2 and I will subtract 2. So let us add 2 here, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 2. And this is x plus 1 by x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is what? This is simply x plus 1 by x whole square. And then here you have x plus 1 by x. Let us skip this bracket here. So this will become x plus 1 by x whole square plus this term x plus 1 by x, and 1 minus 2 is simply minus 1. Now you see, we have very beautifully aligned this problem. So we have x plus 1 by x, and this is x plus 1 by x whole square, and then we have a constant term of minus 1. So now what should we do? We can make a substitution, that is x plus 1 by x is equals to t. So with this substitution I can rewrite this equation, that is t square plus t minus 1 is equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation, and if you remember roots of quadratic equation, let's call these roots are x2 and x3, because we have already found one root, that is 1. So let's call that root as x1 is equals to 1. So we have already found one root, that is x1 is equals to 1. If you remember, in the first part of the problem we said that. So here we will have root is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, and this divided by 2a. Now in this case b is 1. So let us plug this value. B is 1, so minus 1 plus minus b square is 1, and this becomes minus minus plus 4 divided by 2a. So roots are, this is minus 1 plus minus root 5, and this divided by 2. So we have two roots in this case. One root is, let me write here, x2 is equals to minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, And another root is x3. Basically x is in this case t, so not x, so let's call this as t2 and t3 or t simply. So this is t is this minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and then this is minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So let us call this also as t, because in this case we have a quadratic equation in terms of t. So this is not x2, x3, this is t. Now what is t? We have made the substitution. T is basically x plus 1 by x. So now we have two cases. Case 1 will be, that is x plus 1 by x, that is t is equals to this solution, minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. And case 2 will be, that is x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now in both cases, you can formulate again a quadratic equation and you can solve for x. If you will solve, in this case you will have solution x2 and x3. You will find this turns out to be root 5 minus 1 plus minus 10 plus 2 root 5 I, where I is equals to root over minus 1 and this divided by 2. Similarly, for case 2, again you have a quadratic equation. If you solve, so you will get two roots x4 and x5, and the value will be minus 1 minus root 5 plus minus 10 minus 2 root 5I divided by 2. And these roots are imaginary. You see, I value here, I is equals to basically a square root of minus 1. So this is imaginary. And this root is also imaginary. So we have four roots are imaginary. So you see, this root is imaginary and this two root are also imaginary. But we have four root. One root we have derived from here, that is case 1. And 4 plus 1 total 5 roots. 4 roots imaginary and 1 roots are real. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.